Hi everyone! Come along with me on a trip to Japan, and I'll take you fabric shopping with me. I know it's been a while since I've posted any content, but I've been out of the country on my honeymoon, so I hope you enjoy these couple of clips from our trip to Japan. This is a view of Tokyo from the 53rd floor of a building at a restaurant we were eating at. It is just a massive place, huge sprawling city. We visited a few big cities like Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto, and we did day trips to some small cities like Nara, where you saw the deer earlier. It was cherry blossom season during our visit, so definitely an attraction for us was to look at cherry blossoms in the park. It's definitely a beautiful time of year to visit, and I didn't even realize they had so many varieties of cherry blossoms to see. One of the activities we did in Tokyo was to go fabric shopping, so I wanted to share that with all of you. We went to an area called Nippori Fabric Town, which reminds me a lot of Los Angeles downtown at the Fashion District. So this area was full of all sorts of different fabric shops, and they also had garment shops. Bag making is very popular here, so there was a lot for bags. I found this specialty store that was just for kimono fabrics. These were gorgeous, but unfortunately they're not quite the right material for quilts, so I could not take any home. I did, however, go to this store called Tomato Fabrics, which is popular and was recommended to me online. Tomato Fabrics has 5 buildings, but I went to the main building, which had 5 floors of fabric goodness. The top floor had the color wall for quilting, and it also had all of these, I believe, back quarters, all arranged as a beautiful rainbow. However, when I looked at these closely, most of these were actually US fabrics or from US manufacturers, so I continued looking. One bolt which did catch my eye was this mushroom fabric with gold leaf foil. It was from Moda. It was really gorgeous, but I decided not to get it today. And they also had a couple shelves of this French fabric, which was very cute, but again, not what I was looking for. As I mentioned, bag making is very popular, so here is one shelf just looking at handles. I thought these ruffle looking handles were very interesting and unique, and here's the whole rack of zippers that they had. Then they had shelves and shelves of trim in every color, shape, and size you could like, including this outdoor cord. At this point, I started getting more into the garment fabric area, so I had to get back into the quilts. I did find a couple of quilt samples on the wall. This one looks like it was made using a panel, although I didn't see panels anywhere. And this one is our favorite cave. I'm pretty sure I have a couple of these prints, but I really like how they put this together, and it was a beautiful display on the wall. Do you recognize any of these? Here I finally find what I'm looking for: Japanese-inspired quilt fabrics. I believe everything on this shelf was from a company called Quiltgate, and it was all made in Japan. So I took some time, picked out everything I liked, and as you can see, I cleared out quite a bit. In Japan, the unit of measurement is meters, so for each of these fabrics, I got a 1 meter cut. Most of these fabrics were priced at about $8 a meter, but some were on sale. Ooh, and I also wanted to show you this sachiko, which I found in a different section, and I had to throw some of that in there also. Here's a look at my final haul. In the end, I think I got about 34 or 35 meters to take home. Now back at the hotel, you get a look at the city and the park at night, where they have special light-up displays of the cherry blossom trees. Japan was great, and now that I'm home, I'll get back to a regular posting schedule. Be sure to like and subscribe, and have a quilty day.